something strange happens to our houseplants in autumn and winter. They look fine, but deep inside, they're changing. If you keep feeding them like it's summer, you might slowly be hurting them without even knowing it. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you the best fertilizer plan your plants have been waiting for. By the way, I'll soon make a full guide about how to care and feed your plants in spring and summer. So if you enjoy learning about houseplant care, your like and subscribe really helps me keep creating. It gives me energy and helps more plant lovers find these videos too. Here's what really happens inside your plant during the cold months. When days get shorter and light becomes weaker, the plant slows down its photosynthesis. It's no longer growing fast or making new roots, so it doesn't need much food. Just like we don't eat much when we rest. If you keep adding fertilizer now, those minerals can't be used by the plant, they stay in the soil, build up like salt, and start burning the roots. That's when you see yellow leaves, dry edges, and weak droopy stems. All signs of stress, not hunger. But don't worry if you already gave fertilizer. You can fix it easily. First, flush the soil with clean room temperature water. Let it drain fully. This washes away extra salts that might be hurting the roots. After that, let the plant rest for a few weeks. Give it bright light, gentle watering, and maybe a little bit of humic acid or amino acid. Something mild and organic to help it recover. Avoid heavy NPK fertilizers until spring returns. If you want to understand how to care for your plants right at the start of autumn, check out my earlier video about early fall plant care. It's packed with small tips that make a big difference. Now I'm curious, how do you care for your plants in winter? Do you feed them a little, or let them rest completely? Share your way in the comments. Your tip might help another plant lover too. May your plants stay green, peaceful, and full of quiet life, even through the cold, sleepy months. Take care of them gently, and they'll thank you in spring with new leaves and happy growth.